Speak Up English, the key to success.
Hey Emma, got a minute?
Hey Alex. Yeah, what's up?
I've been thinking about how to get better at asking and answering questions in English. Any tips?
Oh, definitely. Asking questions is key to keeping conversations going.
Right. Sometimes I don't know how to start a question.
A good trick is to use the 5 W's: who, what, when, where, and why.
Got it. Like, what did you do over the weekend?
Exactly. And don't forget how. It's super useful too.
Oh, like, how was your day?
Exactly. Simple but effective.
What about answering questions? Any tips there?
Be clear and try to give a little more info. If someone asks, "What's your favorite movie?" you can say, "My favorite movie is Inception because I love the storyline."
Makes sense. It keeps the conversation interesting.
Yup. And ask a follow-up question. It shows you're interested.
Got it. So if you ask me about my weekend, I can answer and then ask about yours.
Exactly. Wanna practice?
Sure. What did you do last weekend?
I went hiking. It was so fun. How about you?
I watched a couple of movies. Do you like watching movies?
Oh, I love it. What movies did you watch?
I saw Inception and The Matrix. What's your favorite movie genre?
I really like sci-fi. It's always so fascinating.
Me too. Got any good recommendations?
Have you seen Blade Runner 2049?
Dunno. I don't think so. Is it good?
It's amazing. You should definitely watch it.
I'll check it out. Hey, got a joke to keep things light?
Sure. Why don't scientists trust atoms?
Dunno why?
'Cause they make up everything.
Haha, good one. Thanks for the tips, Emma.
Anytime, Alex. Let's keep practicing.
Absolutely. See you later.
See ya.
So Emma, what's another good way to practice questions and answers?
How about using question cards? You can make a set with different questions and take turns answering them.
That sounds fun. What kind of questions should I include?
Mix it up. Include some personal ones like, what's your favorite hobby? And some fun ones like, if you could travel anywhere, where would you go?
Got it. It keeps things interesting.
Exactly. And it's great practice for real conversations.
Do you think it helps to write down answers first?
Definitely. It helps you organize your thoughts and build confidence.
Makes sense. And speaking of practice, how about using a mirror?
Oh, for sure. Practicing in front of a mirror helps you see your expressions and improve your confidence.
I'll give that a try. What about using recordings?
Recording yourself is super helpful. You can listen back and catch any mistakes.
Yeah, and it helps track progress too.
Exactly. Hey, what's your favorite English word?
Probably serendipity. It's such a nice word.
Oh, that's a good one. Mine's ephemeral. It sounds so poetic.
It does. Got another joke to keep things light?
Sure. Why did the scarecrow win an award?
Dunno why?
'Cause he was outstanding in his field.
Haha, good one. Thanks for the tips, Emma.
Anytime, Alex. Let's keep practicing and having fun.
Definitely. See you next time.
See ya.
So Emma, what about practicing questions and answers with a language partner?
Oh, that's a great idea. Having a language partner lets you practice regularly and get feedback.
How do I find a language partner?
There are lots of online communities and apps where you can find language partners. Hello Talk and Tandem are pretty popular.
Cool, I'll check those out. Do you have any tips for starting a conversation with a language partner?
Start with simple questions to break the ice. Like, where are you from, or what do you do for fun?
Makes sense. And I should probably be ready to answer those questions too, right?
Exactly. And don't be afraid to ask for help if you don't understand something.
Right. It's all about learning together.
Yup. And you can play language games to make it more fun. Like 20 questions or 2 truths and a lie.
Those sound fun. They keep the conversation going and make learning enjoyable.
Exactly. And they help you think on your feet.
Got it. Hey, what's your favorite English phrase?
I love break a leg. It's a fun way to wish someone good luck.
That's a good one. Mine is, the early bird catches the worm. It reminds me to be proactive.
That's a great motto. Got another joke to wrap things up?
Sure. Why did the bicycle fall over?
Dunno, why?
'Cause it was too tired.
Haha, nice one. Thanks for all the tips, Alex.
Anytime, Emma. This was fun. Let's keep practicing and improving.
Definitely. See you later.
See ya.